Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In this video we're gonna replace a dual fuel tank selector switch on square body pickup. There's actually slightly different part numbers for different years. So if you have a 80 square body, this is the part number over here. Even though it's AC Delca, it is made in Taiwan or Republic of China. Weird, never seen that. So this is the guy we're gonna be replacing, and it just broke off on me. I just touched it. That could be the reason why it wasn't working. So now we're just gonna have to get this guy out. Usually you would just use a little plastic pry bar to pry it out, but in our situation the actual whole button just broke off. So this is the actual culprit here. See if you can get the little angle here. Go ahead. Okay, so and this thing is in there for good. Man, that wasn't there for good. Let's pop our new one in. There it goes. Just need some persuasion. Alright, get this guy in. That should just pop right in, like that. Boom. Alright, and this is how you know it works. Let me turn this down. So, we're gonna switch now from left-hand tank, which is the only one that was working, to right-hand tank. Press and hold. You notice that right-hand tank is full of bad gas, because it hasn't been working in a decade. So, yeah, probably gonna need to drain that first. So, but I'm gonna switch it back to left hand. See, and you can hear the motor now kicking on. Before that, none of that stuff worked. So yeah, quick and easy fix. And I guess this thing was just worn out. Like I said, it just literally disintegrated in my hands as soon as I touched it. Could be because it was pressed so many times to see if it works or doesn't work, and it just wasn't working. But yeah, that's the fix. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and have a good day. Take care.